Did you know there are at least 6 different ways that you can make money online with Kajabi? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you those 6 ways. I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere between $5 and $10 per day and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per day. So watch this entire video to learn 6 different ways that you can make money with Kajabi. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, as you know, Kajabi is an online platform that you can use to sell your digital products. It's also a good opportunity to make money in a few different ways. Without further ado, let's talk about those 6 ways that you can make up to thousands of dollars per day. The first way and the least profitable way is actually heading over to Fiverr and creating different landing pages and sales funnels using Kajabi. As you can see here, people are charging anywhere between $10 and $250 building websites using Kajabi. Now, it's just like building on WordPress. There's lots of templates out there that you can use and download, but this is a pretty good way to make a living. As you can see here, $250. And the reason why she can charge that much is simply because people are using Kajabi to make money. So if you are helping people make more money, you of course can command a little bit more. So if you wanted to, you could jump over to Fiverr and you could create a gig or a service where you help internet entrepreneurs who maybe aren't tech savvy, who don't just have the time to build out these web pages or websites, and you can do that for them. You can see there are over 3,000 services available. What I'd recommend that you do is, if you're going to do this, I would actually go look at buyer requests. People are actually creating custom requests, and that's going to be a better way, a less competitive way to get your foot in the door. But the first one, and I think the least profitable way, is actually with coming over to Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour, and simply building out these landing pages for other entrepreneurs. So that's way number 1. Way number 2 is actually just creating courses. As Kajabi was intended, you can create courses. You can get started for free. They used to have a free trial for like 14 or 30 days, but you can see it's $99 per month for 3 months. You just price your course at, $4.99, for example, and you can already make your money back. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what type of courses can you create? Literally anything. And as an example, we can head on over to Udemy. You can see that people are creating all sorts of courses over on Udemy. Just type in something that you're interested in. Maybe you are interested in basket weaving like this. And there might be people out there that are interested in learning more about basket weaving. Now, what you can do is you can drive traffic to your course in a number of ways. 1, you can create free content on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, wherever people are hanging out. You can also do paid traffic. If you know anything about running paid Facebook ads, you can do paid Facebook ads. You can do paid YouTube ads. You can even try solo ads. I don't know how well that would work out, but there are literally millions of opportunities that you can promote your products, and you can actually make more money. So use Udemy as kind of like a feeling out process to see if there is interest, and then you can go ahead and create that content. Another way that you can find ideas is head on over to YouTube. So if we jump over to YouTube like this, we can type in anything and we can take a look at the views. If there is significant views in a subject or a niche, you can actually create a course on it. So let's say we type in something like QR codes. People want to learn how to make QR codes. And if there's, let's say, thousands, hundreds of thousands of views, as you can see here, we could create a course on making QR codes, and you could be very profitable. You can also verify that by coming back over to Udemy and typing QR codes like this, and then you can see if people are actually looking up this and buying courses. And as you can see, people are buying these types of courses. And so you could do this too. But number 2, and I think the most obvious way, is with creating courses, and you can charge any amount that you want. You could charge $4.95 for a course, depending on the learning outcomes, or you could charge, $1,997 for the course. Now, a $4.97 course, a $4.97 course, are going to have drastically different learning outcomes than a course that's being sold for $1,997. The outcomes are going to be different, so you're going to probably position that a little bit differently. But after creating and selling courses, you can actually use Kajabi to do one-on-one coaching. Now, I have a Kajabi account, so it's actually really cool. If you wanted to schedule a one-on-one meeting or one-on-one coaching, you can do that right through Kajabi, and it's an alternative to Zoom. It's an alternative to ClickFunnels, some of the other things that are out there, Google Meet, and it's a little bit more intimate, and you can actually send messages right through Kajabi. When I reached out to Kajabi for group coaching, because that's what I wanted to use it for, they said that's in the works, but it's not there yet, but it's something that they're working on doing, but you can actually make money with group coaching. And again, you can price it whatever you want. You can price it at $97 if that's what you want, or you can price it at, $2,000. Again, the outcomes of that are going to be different. And the cool thing with this is you can actually schedule multiple coaching. So maybe you're doing an 8-week coaching session with a client, and you can actually schedule that out right in Kajabi so that you don't have to go to third parties to kind of set everything together. One of the drawbacks of using something like ClickFunnels is that you have to use Zapier and connect it with Zoom and then connect it with GetResponse. It's a whole thing. But with Kajabi, it's an all-in-one platform. I would say mostly all-in-one platform that you can use to do everything with your one-on-one coaching. After one-on-one coaching, you can actually use Kajabi for email marketing. Now, if you guys know anything about me, you know that I am a huge fan of email marketing. And email marketing is going to save your business if you ever get in a bind. If you ever get kicked off of a platform, if your views start to drop, you can always fall back on email marketing. Now, the cool thing with Kajabi is it is basically set up like a landing page and a sales funnel where you can get people to come to your page, enter in their name and their email, and then you can actually send emails right through Kajabi. It's actually really cool. And you can actually use this to ask your target audience what types of products they want. You can use it to maybe sell one-on-one coaching right through the system. So it's really cool. It's really user-friendly, really intuitive, and it's not cumbersome like some of those other platforms. I've tried Kajabi, I've tried Kartra, I've tried Builderall, I've tried ClickFunnels, and in my opinion, Kajabi is one of the most user-friendly, easier to navigate systems that are out there. I really like it for email marketing. And guys, with email marketing, as you know, you can send emails every single day right through this platform with no problem. After email marketing, we can actually use Kajabi for affiliate marketing. Now, how much money can you make with affiliate marketing? The sky's the limit, because this is a great alternative. So this is how I would actually promote Kajabi. I'd come up to YouTube and I'd type in something like Udemy alternatives, like this. And then you're going to see that there are lots of people that are tired of using Udemy. So 17 Udemy alternatives. That has 638 views from a year ago, 4,000 views, 1.1 thousand views. And you're going to say that one of the best alternatives is Kajabi. You can also do something like, we could say something like Kartra alternatives, or Kartra versus, or teachable alternatives. But if we look at this Kartra versus Kajabi, we can talk about the pros and cons. Again, 1.6 thousand views, 2,000 subscribers. If we look at this one, 4.4 thousand views, 41,000 subscribers. We could also come up here and type in how to create an online course. And then we walk people through creating an online course, and we can make money. Look at this, 429,000 views, 543,000 subscribers, 143,000 views. This is going to be your top of funnel, so it's going to be really competitive. However, if we did something like Kajabi, Kajabi, Kajabi versus, like this, you can see that these are going to be far less competitive. Kajabi versus Podia, like this, and you can make money. Look at this, 4,000 views and 6,000 subscribers. So a tiny channel. Kajabi is in the mix talking about Kajabi versus Podia. Podia is in the mix talking about Podia versus Kajabi. But you can create content here. Now, what I would do if I were looking to get into affiliate marketing, I'd create an entire channel about sales funnels or even Kajabi. And I would first start creating content like Kajabi review, or Kajabi tutorial, or Kajabi walkthrough. I would talk about the individual components of Kajabi, because before people make the switch, they want to make sure that the product or software has everything that they need. And so you can start with Kajabi tutorials, Kajabi this versus that, Kajabi how to do something in Kajabi. For example, we could do like how to underscore in Kajabi, Kajabi, like this. How to create a website in Kajabi, how to change font, landing page. And so we can create content here and start building authority. Then we can move up a step, and then we can do Kajabi versus, like this, and go through each letter of the alphabet. Kajabi versus, is there something for Q? Maybe Kajabi versus Quora. But if we do like Kajabi versus LearnDash, and we talk about the pros and cons of it, we can start building a successful online business. Now, with the Kajabi affiliate program, they will actually pay you a 30% commission recurring for anyone that you bring in. So if we scroll down here, look at this. As a Kajabi partner, you will receive a 30% lifetime commission. So you'll get 30%. Now, the cool thing with software, and especially with a software like Kajabi, is once people get set up and they get hooked in, it's very hard to switch. Okay, it's very hard to jump from software to software because you've got to upload the videos and you've got to create the course. And what you can do to help make sure that people stay with Kajabi is provide tutorials, provide step-by-step guides on how to do something. So in order to get people to join your Kajabi affiliate program, I'd actually give them a complete free course on how to do everything in Kajabi. I'd make it like a 1-hour course so that they can upload their first video, how to make things, how to change colors, everything that they need. And I'd even include a few templates to help them get up and running so that they stick. Because when someone joins, and especially if they start making money with their online course platform, they're never going to leave. But you can see here, Kajabi versus LearnDash. We can also do like best online course creation platform. Look at this. So people are looking for best X4Y. So best online course creation platform, 21,000 views from 6 months ago. This person only has 2,000 subscribers. Look at this one, 29,000 views, only 3,000 subscribers. And again, your earning potential doing this is unlimited because there are going to be people coming aboard every single day, frequently, that want to start selling online courses, especially when jobs get more scarce and we start heading into a recession. People are looking for more opportunities, better opportunities, and looking for ways to share their knowledge. And so if we look best online course creation platform, best online course creation platform, if we do for beginners, let's see if that brings up a different result here. All right, so it looks like it brought up a slightly different result, but you can see here that there is tons of opportunity. Okay, so just to recap real quick, number 1 is with building sales funnels over on Fiverr. Number 2, of course, is creating courses. And creating courses is actually really easy on Kajabi. I've done some other things and it's been a pain. Number 3 is actually selling one-on-one coaching that you can do right through Kajabi. Number 4 is actually with email marketing. And number 5 is actually with creating courses on how to use Kajabi. So if we jumped over here, and there's a few ways that you're going to monetize this. We can go to, we'll type in Kajabi once again, Kajabi like this. And we can actually create a course on how to create a course in Kajabi. And then we can actually put our affiliate links right in here. So look at this, how to create a membership site in 1 day using Kajabi, $9.99. And it has 29 reviews. So it probably has maybe a couple hundred people enrolled, but we could actually create a course on how to create a course in Kajabi, put our affiliate link. Another option, if you don't want to create a course on how to create a course in Kajabi, we could just type in how to create an online course like this, hit enter, and you're going to see this gets tons of views. And once again, we could use Kajabi as the learning platform, put in our affiliate link, and we can actually make money. What I also do too with my courses on Udemy is actually send them to a landing page by offering free bonuses. So one of my courses over on Udemy, I say, hey, click here to get free bonuses, get upgrades, get a free landing page. And Udemy is okay with that. And so I actually get them off the platform and then I can remarket to them. What I would do is I would offer free templates that you find online or maybe make yourself, or hire someone over on Fiverr to do it. Now that you know 6 different ways that you can make money online with Kajabi, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free training that shows you step-by-step how to earn a full-time income with affiliate marketing without using paid ads, without a huge following on social media, or even a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.